So hello students. So now concluding part for class 12th, Flamingo, second chapter, second story. Okay, second chapter is Lost Spring and second story is I Want to Drive a Car. Firozabad, Mukesh, bangle making industry. Okay, so this is now concluding part. So here in the last video I told you that this writer Anish Jung, she goes to Firozabad and she had a talk with young brigade of that area, some young boys, and she advised them to have a cooperative society, to form themselves in a group. Okay, but what answer she got? They said that we cannot have our cooperative society, we cannot organize ourselves, because if we try to organize ourselves, we will be put to jails. Okay, because middlemen would never like us to be that enlightened lot in this area. Okay, so this is what they answered. There is no leader among them, no one who could help them see things differently. So this is what the writer got to realize, that there is no leader actually to lead them, to guide them. Their fathers are as tired as they are, though their fathers are more experienced. Okay, but still these fathers, these elderly people of this Firozabad, they also don't want to take the responsibility of a leader, because they are also, because of poverty, they are also now tired people and they want to live in peace. So they don't want to dare anything new. They talk endlessly in a spiral that moves from poverty to apathy to greed and to injustice. And when she talked to these people, maybe the fathers of these young brigade, okay, she found one thing only, that actually because of the poverty, they have also lost all the initiative. Okay, they just talk about poverty, and because they have seen only poverty. So there is in their life, what she noticed, there is poverty, then there is apathy. Apathy means, we can say, when society is insensitive towards them. Okay, this is what these people have seen, that maybe this is what they complained in front of this writer, that no one is sensitive enough to think about these poor bangle makers. Then maybe these people have seen only greed, because middlemen are always greedy. So that's why maybe they never allowed them to think or to do something new. And then there is injustice. And these people, because they have throughout their life, they have seen injustice. And that's why maybe now this injustice, this poverty has already killed that initiative to start something new. That's why maybe there is no one to lead them. Listening to them, I see two distinct worlds. One of the family caught in a web of poverty. Now, after talking to them, she concluded one thing, that actually in Firozabad there is not only bangle makers. Actually in Firozabad there are two different, very distinct words, okay, which are poles apart. Two, different kind of words are there. In word means two different words, means do tarah ki duniya hai. In one word there are poor bangle makers. Okay, they have always seen poverty, and they are burdened by the stigma of caste in which they are born. And the stigma is that they are bangle makers. That's why they are supposed to remain poor only. So no one, that's why, bothers about them. Okay, this is the stigma of caste. And the other word, there is another word which is very powerful word. And the other, a vicious circle of sahukars, the middlemen, the policemen, the keepers of law, the bureaucrats, and the politicians. And the other word is very poisonous word, vicious word, and this is very strong word also. Why? Because these all people are together. And who are these all people? First of all, sahukars. Actually these poor people, bangle makers, they borrow money from sahukars. Okay, and when they get profit, then only they are to return back money, but they never get profit because there are middlemen, and middlemen never allow them to get profit. And they cannot, complain against them, because policemen are also there in the same group. Then they cannot file their cases in the courts, because keepers of law are also in the same group. then the bureaucrats and the politicians, they cannot go to them also, because they are also in the same group. Now you are to learn these words. Okay, if you get 2 marks question, you will get 2 out of 2 if you write all these words. The sahukars, the middlemen, the keepers, the policemen, the keepers of law, the bureaucrats, then the politicians. Okay, all these. Together they have imposed the baggage on the child that he cannot put down. And now she feels, actually this big group, they all are responsible if there is child labor in the society. She feels that these all people actually make poor children, become rag pickers. These all people make poor children to work as a labor. Okay, so child labor is maybe there because of this vicious group only. So this is what she says. Together they have put the bag. Okay, they only make people rag pickers. Before he is aware, he accepts it as naturally as his father. And she feels this is very ironical, that these poor people, before they are aware of their rights, they are so much into this business, they are so much accustomed to this kind of, poverty, that they don't even dare to think anything else. And they accept it as part of their fate. To do anything else would mean to dare. And daring is not part of his growing up. Naturally, these poor people, they are, never given a chance to become daring, because their parents also never would like them to show that daring. They would say, better you come and help us. So that's why this is what she feels, that this is not part of his growing up. When I sense a flash of it in Mukesh, I'm cheered. And writer says, but this daring I saw in Mukesh. He looked very determined when he said, yes, I want to drive a car. I want to become motor mechanic. I want to be a motor mechanic, he repeats. He will go to a garage and learn. But the garage is a long way from home. I will walk, he insists. So jokingly this writer said, but okay, how could you go and learn this, trade, because garage is very far away from your home. But he says, no worry. I will walk to that distance, but I will certainly do something different. Do you also dream of flying a plane? He's suddenly silent. Now, she asked, okay, you want to be a driver, you want to drive a car, you want to become a mechanic, but have you ever thought of flying aeroplane also? And here, he is suddenly silent. He's suddenly silent, no, he says, staring at the ground. In his small murmur, there is an embarrassment that has not yet turned into regret. Now what she felt, that her eyes were looking down, and he just murmured only, no, I never thought about flying plane. And she saw only embarrassment in his eyes, not regret. Okay, embarrassment means he is embarrassed at why he could not think about it before. But if this is not regret, it means in future certainly he would think about this aspect also. Okay. He is content to dream of cars that he sees hurtling down the streets of his town. Few airplanes fly over Firozabad. So this writer has seen only embarrassment in his eyes, not regret. Okay. Why it's not regret? Because maybe he saw more of cars only, that's why he could think about becoming a mechanic. Because very few aeroplanes he had seen in the sky. That's why he could not think about aeroplanes. But now because the writer has suggested, maybe in future this Mukesh would be thinking about that, flying the plane also. So that's why this is embarrassment, not regret. In his eyes, this writer had seen. So we come to the end of this chapter. This chapter is very important for the boards. Why? Because it talks about child labor. Okay, so you can get child labor in the literature part. The chances can be like in the writing section also, sometime the chapter can be referred and you may be asked to write something on child labor. Okay, you may be asked to cover report on child labor or something else. So the thing is that child labor topic itself is very important. So prepare this chapter thoroughly and watch the videos very carefully with the pen and the book in your hand. so that you can mark the things and you can then afterwards note down the things and then do the questions, prepare the questions accordingly. I hope you are understanding these videos, and I would love if you keep writing back to me. Clear? Because that also will let me know where I am supposed to improve. Thank you.